Yo, so you got yourself the Samsung Galaxy S10, or in this case the S10 Plus. Now you may or you may not already know, but there's a fingerprint sensor built into the screen here. This is an ultrasonic one, so sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It can be quite hit and miss here, and in some circumstances it may not even unlock your device that quickly, so you end up waiting and then try and go in again. Let's try that again, see how well that works. And that worked pretty well. You don't have to have the screen off. If you've got the screen on, it tells you where you need to place your finger in order for it to unlock. So we're going to show you how you can make this even faster. So go into your settings and then go into biometrics, and security. From here, go into fingerprints and enter your PIN. Once you're in, you can see I've got my fingerprint added there. Now on this device, you can add multiple fingerprints for the same thumb or the same finger. So you can see I've got my thumb already in fingerprint 1. I'm going to do add fingerprint here. Now it tells you what to do, so we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to apply different angles of my thumb here, and we'll do the edges as well. So the idea is we've registered this thumb already once, we're going to register it again, changing the angles and getting the edges in again, so there's double the amount of chance of it being recognized compared to before. So we're going to get a full scan, and we're going to do the edges of my very dry thumb. So there we go, fingerprint has been added, and we're going to hit done. So now we can go out and boom, there you go. It was fairly quick before, just before I tested it, so try this out. If you're having trouble not unlocking your device fast enough with the built-in fingerprint sensor within the screen, give this a go. You can add your same thumb or same index finger, whichever finger, more than once, so give that a go. And boom, thanks for watching, have a wicked day, and I'll see you next time.